I got Rooster Red. And maybe Butterball there. That might be Butterball. It is about 17 degrees out. And then we got Ducky. You hear Ducky there. Here, Ducky. These are all black Australope chickens, supposed to be hens. Then we got this one, BB. Pickle. I think it's an Americano. We're not sure if it's a rooster or a hen. Alright. They're all kind of saying, okay, we'll exit. It's pretty cold out. Grab your coats. Grab your coats if you're going out. Alright. Hello. And we got Crybaby and Stiletta and Honey, the pig. All in this little enclosure here, little pet enclosure. Got a heat lamp in there so it keeps them nice and warm. Heat lamp is rigged double safe so it won't fall. And look at that piggy. Look at that piggy. Come on out, piggy. Come on out, piggy. If you want to. Yeah, kind of cold. And so this is Stiletta. She's got the heart shape down here. One white, one black. And then this is Crybaby. Crybaby is all white legs with the 2 gray horns on the front. Yes. She likes to... So silly. She got the blue eyes. Yeah. Alright. You can kind of see they're all out and about. Doing their thing. Hope you stay warm. Dumping your food over. Don't know why. Definitely where the piggy was laying. Because it's all dug in there. She likes to dig in there. Alright. Hi. Alright. Hey, you want to say something? Hey. Honey, you want to say something? You want to say hi? You want to say hi? You're silly.